Hello student, today we will do example of exercise 7.2 of class 9th chapter 7th triangles. Statement: in triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to side BC. By this information, we make figure. Bisector of angle AD, which is perpendicular, symbol of perpendicular, show that AB equals to AC. So triangle ABC becomes isosceles. Given in triangle ABC, same we will write symbol of perpendicular, symbol of 90 to show AB equals to AC. Proof: in triangle ABD and ACD, AD common, angle 1 equals to angle 2 because AD is bisector. Angle ADB equals to angle ADC, each 90. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by ASA. Hence, AB equals to AC. By simplicity, if two sides of triangle are equal, then ABC becomes isosceles triangle. Now the next example number 5. E and F are respectively the midpoint of equal sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. Triangle point E, point F. These are the midpoints. Now join B to F, C to E. We need to show BE is equal to CE. Given same. To show BF equals to CE, proof: in triangle ABF and in triangle ACE, angle A common. AB is equal to AC. Given. Now AF is equal to AE because E and F are the midpoints. So triangle ABF is congruent to ACE by SAS. So BF equals to CE by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. Now the next is example number 6. In an isosceles triangle, ABC with AB equals to AC, D and E are point on BC such that BE equals to DC, show that AD equals to AE. Given. To show proof in triangle ABE and in triangle ACD, AB equals to AC given. If AB equals to AC, then angle B equals to angle C. Reason, isosceles property. Third one, BE equals to CD, also given. Triangle congruent by SAS. If triangle congruent, then AE equals to AD by CPCT. ABE में AE, ADC में AD. Hence proved. Thank you.